Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to make a tank, just a regular tank. You can decide if it's gonna be a propane tank, storage tank, or whatever you want, but this one is gonna be just a regular propane tank. As you can see, I have the bubble ends. This is just the spare that you can get at Hobby Lobby or wherever. I believe this is a 3-inch PVC pipe, which I got my piece already cut. It measures 7 inches long. With this one is an inch each one, so that'll be 9 inches, close to 40 feet in 1/50 scale. Okay. Wait for our next part. Okay, second part is I got my piece of PVC pipe already sanded. Next part is to flat the ends. With that, you're gonna need a flat file. You just flatten it up, that way it's even. It's on a 90 angle, straight angle. For that, you need a square. So as you can see, it's very close to square already, so I just need to file the ends and ready to glue the ends on top here. Okay. Okay, next part is to cut off the ears on the spheres. Now you get a flat end. And also you need to file this. Do this carefully, as you don't want to put marks on the clear. Okay, got that one done. You also need to cut this little groove over here. You need to cut this one off. That way it sits flat on the pipe. And I'm gonna do it right now. Okay, I got my ends ready to glue it to the pipe. This is what it's gonna look like when it's finished. And this is gonna be a propane tank. So let me glue this up and let it dry for at least an hour, and then you come back and sand the ends real smooth. That way it's smooth at the edge. Okay. Okay, I got the ends glued on and sanded. You also need to sand the clear cups or ends real good, so that way it matches the wideness of the pipe, as you can see. Next is probably prime it and make the lines for it, the stands. To make the stands, I use a steering material like plastic. It's called evergreen material, like this piece over here is a 1/4 inch. I use this a lot, and I think that's it for this part. This took me about an hour to sand it real good, so that's about 2 hours with the glue drying. If you get a spot on the cup or the ends, sand that off real good. Okay, next part is to make the stands for the tank. Next, you're gonna get a sheet of a steering material, plastic. Measure the pipe diameter, make 2 circles. That way you can have 4 of these stands, and that way you can glue them onto these and make the stand out of plastic. Okay. Okay, I got the stands made. As you can see, I left a little gap between the tank and the stands. That's gonna be for the wood. It's gonna have some wood on between the tank and the stand. So just need to sand this off and prime it or paint it whatever color you want, and that should be it for the tank. Next step is to prime everything, and then put some valves, safety valves, relief valves, and all that kind of stuff. Okay. Okay, here's the tank. It's painted already, and the stands for it, as you can see, has the wood on it. That should be your valve, your gauges. So next thing to do is put the valves, safety valves, relief valves, and some tubing on the bottom, and this will be your like your relief valves over here on top. But I put this just to paint it, just to hold it. Okay, so next part. Okay, here's the tank. It's finished. It needs some decals, but I don't make decals, so it would look fine with all decals, warning decals, and everything. But this is pretty much it with the tank. It's got the safety valves, the relief valves on top, and another safety valve on top, and the stands. It should be your gauge, but I don't have the sticker for it. and this should be it. If you have any questions, or if you want one, if you want a smaller tank, or whatever you want, just give me a message, and we'll see from there. This is just the comparison to how big it is. This is one of the freezer figures. Or a model. Here's a truck with a figure on it, and that's just to compare the size. It's pretty decent size on a scale. That should be 40, almost 40 feet long by 12 feet diameter. Just the tank by itself. So if you have any questions, or want one, or want anything else, just give me a message, and we'll see if we can do it or not. Okay, thanks. I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll probably make some more how-to videos. Thank you.